Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. And here we have our app menu. Now, to customize it, we need to press and hold on one of the icons to open this menu. And here we can change a couple of things. First, we can change the way the app menu is being displayed. And we have grid view or list view. If you select list view, the apps will be listed in the list. If you select grid view, they will be listed in the grid. Okay. You can also tap on edit apps, and here we can do a couple of things. We can remove the icons from this list. So for example, as you can see, some of them have this X button on them, and if you tap on them, you can remove them. What it does is basically uninstalls the app from the watch, but also removes the icon from this list. So for example, let's remove the Spotify. So the icon is gone, but the also app is was uninstalled from our watch. So be aware of that. We can also move the icons on the list. So for example, we can grab one by pressing and holding on it, and then we can drag it to the place we want it to be, and then drop it. Oh, where did it go? That backed out a little. Come on. That was weird. Let's press the crown button again and try again. So let's enter the editing mode. Come on. Why is it not working? Something backed out. Let's open the menu again. Oh, this time it's working. Let's try again. So grab the icon, drag it to the place you want it to be in, and drop it like this. Okay, so that's how you move the icons. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to keep the changes like that and exit the editing mode. You can also customize the app menu via the phone application on your iPhone that is paired with your watch. So we can move our watch right here, bring our iPhone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen like that, and then open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Tap on the app view, and here we can select grid view or list view, of course, and then we can tap on arrangement, and we can move the icons on the list by pressing and holding on them like that. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.